friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are making methi ki bhaji, which is prepared with fresh and green methi leaves. It is one of the simple and healthiest recipes with methi or fenugreek leaves. This recipe uses garlic with minimal spices that helps bring out and enhance the flavor of fenugreek. It tastes so much flavorful and delicious and can be served as a side dish with any meal. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week and never miss a video from Big Foodies. And hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Let's check the ingredients now to make a delicious methi ki bhaji for your family and friends. Hello friends, today we are cooking methi ki bhaji. To cook methi ki bhaji, we have taken about 500 grams of methi leaves which we have washed thoroughly with cold water and removed all the dirt. Methi leaves are also called as fenugreek leaves in English. After we wash the methi leaves, we need to chop them finely. So first wash the methi leaves thoroughly with cold water and then chop it finely. So let's start cooking methi ki bhaji. For frying methi ki bhaji, we have taken about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan. You can use any type of oil if you don't like mustard oil. So after the mustard oil is heated, add a pinch of asafoetida. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Allow the cumin seeds to roast. Once cumin seeds are roasted, add the garlic cloves. Add generous amount of garlic cloves. It will give a nice flavor. So we need to roast the garlic cloves until golden brown. Keep the flame on medium while you're roasting it. Keep stirring it occasionally. Methi ki bhaji really tastes great if you cook it in an iron griddle or iron pan. Once the garlic is turned golden brown, add the chopped green chilies as per your taste. Roast the green chilies for 30 seconds. Now add the finely chopped methi leaves. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. It will give a nice color to methi ki bhaji. Now give it a stir. The methi ki bhaji will reduce in volume as it starts cooking. Add the salt to your taste. Don't add too much of salt because methi will reduce in volume, so it doesn't require too much of salt. Mix it well. Now add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and stir it well. Cook it nicely on a medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes and keep stirring it. It will cook really fast. So the methi leaves or fenugreek leaves is cooking for 5 to 7 minutes, and now we can turn off the flame. Methi ki bhaji is now ready and we can serve it. So friends, we have served the methi ki bhaji. This bhaji really tastes delicious. This bhaji can be served as a side dish with roti, paratha, puri or rice or any bread of your choice, and it's very healthy because methi leaves and garlic is very healthy. So enjoy this bhaji with your family and friends, and if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies channel for new recipes every week and never miss a video from Big Foodies. And like and share this video as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching.